Do you have pictures that have unwanted text or graphics? These unwanted graphics makes you no longer use the image in one of your blogs, videos, articles, etc. It can be also a scenario where you might have found an image from the internet but has a watermark, date and timestamp. When someone thinks about how to remove text from a picture, the first thing that comes up in their mind is Photoshop. Although Photoshop is a powerful software with a ton of features, it is a pretty complex one to use and requires a deeper understanding of its functionalities for a simple task to erase text from image. The task to remove text from an image without removing background might seem simple, but it is pretty complex and requires a powerful tool to carry out. But powerful tools need not be complex to use. Now you can remove text from the image in a snap. Yes, you read that right. You can now erase unwanted text, graphics of an image instantly with ImageTranslate. Despite the fact that ImageTranslate is used for picture translation, it has an ace up its sleeve which can be used to remove text from photos. Let us show you how to erase text from an image in simple steps. Steps to remove text from image online. Step 1. Head over to ImageTranslate.com and log in, sign up with your email ID. Step 2. Select New Project and upload the picture from which text has to be removed. Step 3. This step is usually where you have to select source and target language, but since we are not translating text in this picture, you can select any two languages randomly. And untick Create Regions automatically, so that the image is not automatically translated into a different language. And now hit Next. In under 30 seconds, the image will be represented to you in the editor. Step 4. Now switch on the Magic Eraser from the lower right corner of the editor. Once turned on, select the text graphic which needs to be removed from the picture. To select, just drag the mouse over with a left click. You can also select multiple entities at a time. As you're done with selecting the text, hit Erase on the lower left corner of the editor. In 10 seconds the selected entities will be removed from the image, and you'll be represented with a clean image. ImageTranslate's Magic Eraser is a powerful tool in the arsenal that can remove almost any unwanted text or graphic from an image without changing the background. You can now simply download this image and use it wherever you want. See how simple it was to remove text from pictures. Removing text from an image takes less than a minute with ImageTranslate, and the results it provides are epic, similar to what you get from Photoshop. But ImageTranslate is easy to handle and does not require any special skills to operate. Visit ImageTranslate.com and get started, link in the description below.